Understanding a bit of a nuisance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language, a bit of a nuisance. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it correctly in your conversations? Stay tuned as we explore the nuances of this phrase to help you enhance your English language skills. The phrase, a bit of a nuisance, refers to something or someone causing a small amount of trouble, annoyance, or inconvenience. It's a polite and somewhat understated way to express that something is irritating but not severely problematic. The key components here are a bit of, which implies a small amount, and nuisance, meaning an annoyance or inconvenience. To better understand how to use a bit of a nuisance, let's look at some examples. Finding parking in this area is a bit of a nuisance. The neighbor's dog barks a lot at night, which can be a bit of a nuisance. Dealing with so many emails every day is a bit of a nuisance. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, indicating minor annoyances in daily life. Knowing synonyms and related phrases can help you vary your language. Here are a few: a slight inconvenience, somewhat annoying, a little troublesome. These alternatives convey a similar level of annoyance or inconvenience, allowing for more expressive and varied communication. It's important to note that a bit of a nuisance is often used in British English and might be perceived as very polite or even understated in other English-speaking cultures. In some contexts, you might need to be more direct about the level of inconvenience or annoyance something is causing. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, a bit of a nuisance. It's a useful expression for talking about minor annoyances in a polite and understated way. Remember, mastering these nuances can really enhance your fluency and make your English sound more natural. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.